Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. June has ended with a kind of good up move and how the July is going to be. All these things will be discussed in this short video. This video is created for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investments. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. So Nifty today, the major resistance point was opened a good gap up opening, but it failed to cross this 10,400 mark, and a kind of good consolidation till the second half, almost up to 2 o'clock, and after 2 o'clock sharply failed and closed somewhere closer to the previous opener close. So you can see the Nifty just lost only around 10 points compared to the previous close. So it's a kind of doji, but because of this gap up opening, it's a kind of big kind of hammer kind of pattern in a daily candlestick pattern. So this is one of the things. So based on this, you can see I would say this level was not executed, because I clearly said whenever you see below 10,300 you can go for the put option. So so this level was not executed, but if you have kind of executed during the opening itself, considering that as a kind of entry, it might have gave you a kind of 84 rupees profit. And the same thing with Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty, you see it opened somewhere closer to this 21,500 mark, and then went up to this 21,600, where it faced a kind of this 21,600, gave a kind of good resistance, and then it was pushing the Nifty down and down. And the same thing after 2 o'clock, it sharply fell sharply, and also it also closed somewhere equal to the previous day's close. So let us go to the daily chart of Nifty. So it's a kind of small hammer or kind of pattern, and you can see this 10,400 is placing a major resistance so far. So 1 2 3 4 candles almost in the range of 10,300 to 10,400. So the next big up move what we can expect is only when it crosses this 10,500 mark or something like that. So we can consider this as a kind of consolidation also. So what is there for tomorrow and for the month? And if you go to a monthly chart is also like a good, showing a kind of very good recovery. But you can see this area, this zone is acting as a major resistance so far, this 10,300 to 10,400, and up to this 10,500 to 600. So up to 10,600 Nifty is very much bearish condition. And also if you go to this one, Bank Nifty is pretty concise within this 19,000 to 22,000. Within this 3,000 mark, it is consolidating for quite a while. And weekly also it was a kind of doji pattern, and this week is about to close, and so far it is not showing any kind of direction. So how it is there for tomorrow and how the month? So Nifty, if it crosses this 10,400 mark, we can expect another 200 point rally, and then maybe if it will test this 10,600 mark. So July, my expectation is it will take a support at this 10,200 to 10,100 mark. It will not go below 10,000, and you can see a kind of very good uptrend rally. So there it will take a support, and it can touch this 10,600 to 10,800 mark. So that is how the Nifty is. And considering the Bank Nifty, it will try to breach this 22,000 mark, and again it has to test this 23,000 mark. So that will give a kind of fresh up move for the Bank Nifty. And what is there for tomorrow? This 10,400 will act as a major resistance, and further is 10,500. So these two groups will try to push the Nifty down. So that's why for tomorrow, as long as it is below this 10,400 mark, you can execute 10,300 put option. So whenever Nifty is below 10,400, you can exercise put option, and if it is above 10,400, you can exercise call option with a target of 10,500. On the downside, the target will be 10,200 to 250 mark. Most probably if it breaks only 10,200, then only it can go sharply to the 10,000 mark. So Nifty entry will be like if it is below 10,400 put option side, and if it is above 10,400 you can go for call option for a target of 10,500, and on the downside target will be 10,200 mark. Bank Nifty, if it is below 21,300 you can exercise put option 21,300 put option if it is below 21,300 for a target of 21,200 to 21,000 mark. So the same, the 22,000 level, 21,200 levels, and if it breaks 21,200 it can easily touch 21,000 mark. And on the upper side, if it is above 21,400 you can exercise call option for a target of 21,500 to 21,600, which will be the upper side. And hope the levels are pretty much clear. Nifty, if it is above 10,400 you can exercise call option, and if it is below 10,400 you can exercise put option. Target on the upper side will be 10,500, on the downside it will be 10,200. And on Bank Nifty, if it is above 21,400 you can exercise call option for a target of 21,500 to 600 mark, and if it is below 21,300 you can exercise 21,300 put option for a target of 22,200 to 21,000 levels. All the very best and have a profitable and fruitful trading day tomorrow. Thanks very much. Bye.